Hi, if you're new here, my name is Keisha. I have a client in my chair. She has salt and pepper hair. Here I'm showing you I am customizing by my Luxe hair collection, which is raw Indian hair. It comes in silver and gray. So I'm going to go ahead and customize my K-tips. I have flat ironed my client's hair. I want to make sure that we have trimmed her hair evenly. And I'm going to go ahead and install these K-tips. What I do love about customizing my K-tips, I am able to match the client's hair as well as her texture, and we don't want to make sure we don't make these K-tips too heavy, so I am doing traditional K-tips. Just like that, in minutes, she gained length and fullness.
Yes, and it's so light you can hardly tell it's on your hair. Oh, wow, it's beautiful.
As you can see, she has the option to wear her hair into a bun or she can wear it into a ponytail. You can have your hair up to 3 to 4 inches. I highly recommend to get a K-tip installment. Here I'm going through making sure that everything blends seamlessly and that we want to make sure that the length that we're going to cut it is going to be comfortable for her. Here I have cut to desire. I have put some layers in for her and it's flowing like it's hers. We did a soft curl and we want to make sure that we always do the amount that is comfortable for the clients, because remember, they have to go home to still maintain this hair. And for my appreciation, you do get a gift bag, detangling brush, shampoo, conditioner, and leave-in, and also a card to show you directions how to maintain your hair. Thank you for watching.